6 reasons soda and energy drinks are harming your kidneys. Ever wondered what's really happening inside your body when you crack open that soda or sip on that energy drink? You're not alone. These drinks may seem harmless or even essential for a quick energy boost, but they're actually hiding some pretty shocking secrets when it comes to your kidney health. In today's video, we're diving deep into 6 reasons soda and energy drinks are quietly harming your kidneys. From sky-high sugar content to artificial additives and even oxalates that could lead to painful kidney stones, there's a lot more going on in that can than you think. We'll explore how sugary sodas contribute to diabetes and kidney disease, the hidden dangers of phosphorus additives, and the way caffeine overload and dehydration can leave your kidneys overworked and stressed. Plus, we'll reveal the lesser-known link between these drinks and kidney stone formation. Trust me, it's not a risk you want to take. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. I'll also share tips on how to protect your kidneys and make smarter drink choices. So stick around, hit that like button, and get ready to learn some eye-opening facts that could save you from years of kidney trouble down the road. All right, grab a drink, preferably water. And let's get into it. Number 1, high sugar content. Did you know that the average soda contains around 10 teaspoons of sugar in just one can? That's already exceeding the daily sugar limit recommended by health experts for most adults, let alone children. But the problem doesn't stop at the sheer quantity of sugar. It's what this sugar does to your kidneys over time. When you consume high amounts of sugar, your body produces an insulin spike to manage the glucose in your bloodstream. Over time, repeated insulin spikes can lead to insulin resistance, a major driver of type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is a leading cause of chronic kidney disease because high blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys, making it harder for them to filter toxins effectively. But here's where it gets even more concerning. Consistently high sugar intake can also lead to obesity, and obesity places an enormous strain on your kidneys. The kidneys have to work overtime to filter out the waste products that come from metabolizing the extra calories and fat. This overwork can lead to kidney scarring and ultimately kidney failure in severe cases. And let's not forget about kids and teens, who are some of the biggest consumers of sugary drinks. Their bodies are still developing, meaning their kidneys are more vulnerable to damage from long-term exposure to high sugar levels. Plus, studies have shown that kids who regularly consume sugary sodas are more likely to develop high blood pressure, a condition that further stresses the kidneys. When you think about it, every sip of a sugary drink is like pouring stress directly onto your kidneys. And the effects aren't immediate. They quietly build up over years until one day your kidneys just can't keep up. So next time you or your loved ones reach for that soda, consider swapping it for water or another healthier alternative. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 2, high phosphorus levels. Phosphorus is a mineral naturally found in many foods, and it plays an essential role in building strong bones, generating energy, and maintaining healthy cells. However, the phosphorus found in sodas and energy drinks isn't the natural kind. It's usually added as phosphoric acid or other phosphate additives to enhance flavor, extend shelf life, and prevent discoloration. This might make your favorite drink taste good and look appealing, but it can come with serious health consequences, particularly for your kidneys. Here's why. When you consume foods or drinks with artificially added phosphorus, it is absorbed into your bloodstream at a much higher rate compared to natural phosphorus. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering out excess phosphorus, but over time the burden of processing these high levels can overwhelm them. For people with even slightly reduced kidney function, this becomes a dangerous cycle. Excess phosphorus in your blood can lead to a condition called hyperphosphatemia, which causes calcium to leach from your bones and form deposits in your blood vessels, heart, and kidneys. These calcifications are incredibly harmful and can accelerate kidney damage while increasing the risk of heart disease. Now, think about how often people consume sodas and energy drinks. not just occasionally but as part of their daily routine. The consistent influx of phosphorus from these beverages can quietly erode kidney health without any obvious symptoms in the beginning. Over time, this damage builds up, especially when combined with other risk factors like high sugar intake, poor diet, or dehydration. And it's not just people with pre-existing kidney problems who are at risk. Studies have shown that even healthy individuals can experience reduced kidney function from prolonged exposure to excess phosphorus. What's even more alarming is that phosphorus levels aren't always listed on labels, making it hard for consumers to know just how much they're consuming. But the takeaway is clear: every sip of a phosphorus-laden soda or energy drink could be quietly wearing down your kidneys. If you want to protect your kidneys in the long run, it's time to rethink these beverages and opt for alternatives that are gentler on your body. Trust me, your kidneys will be forever grateful. Number 3. Caffeine overload. Caffeine is the magic ingredient that gives you that jolt of energy when you're dragging through your day. But have you ever thought about what it's doing to your kidneys? Energy drinks and sodas are often loaded with caffeine, sometimes containing as much or even more than a strong cup of coffee. While caffeine in moderation can have some benefits, like improving focus and temporarily boosting energy, excessive caffeine intake can spell trouble for your kidneys. Here's why. Caffeine is a stimulant, which means it increases your heart rate and raises your blood pressure. When your blood pressure spikes, your kidneys, which play a critical role in regulating it, are forced to work overtime. Over time, this constant strain can damage the delicate filtering units in your kidneys, known as nephrons, and impair their ability to function properly. But that's not all. Caffeine also has a diuretic effect, which means it makes you urinate more frequently. This might not sound like a big deal, but frequent urination can lead to dehydration if you're not drinking enough water to compensate. Dehydration reduces blood flow to the kidneys, further straining them and diminishing their ability to filter out waste. Now let's talk about energy drinks in particular. Many of these beverages combine caffeine with other stimulants like guarana and taurine, amplifying the effects on your body. The result? A surge of energy that's often followed by a crash. But the impact on your kidneys doesn't crash. It accumulates over time. Studies have shown that excessive caffeine consumption can even lead to a condition called rhabdomyolysis in extreme cases, where muscle fibers break down and release toxins that can clog the kidneys and lead to kidney failure. And here's the kicker. Because energy drinks and sodas are so easy to consume, it's incredibly easy to exceed safe caffeine limits without realizing it. The recommended daily caffeine limit for most adults is around 400 milligrams, but some energy drinks pack that amount or more into a single can. Imagine what happens if you're drinking 2 or 3 of these a day. The bottom line is that while caffeine might give you a temporary energy boost, the long-term consequences for your kidneys can be severe if you overdo it. Protect your kidneys by keeping your caffeine intake in check, and remember that hydration and moderation are key to avoiding caffeine overload. Your kidneys will thank you for skipping that extra energy drink. Number 4. Dehydration. Risk. Let's talk about dehydration, a hidden danger lurking behind every can of soda or energy drink. These beverages, especially ones loaded with caffeine, have a diuretic effect, meaning they increase the frequency of urination. At first glance, this might seem harmless, but here's the catch. Every extra trip to the bathroom means your body is losing more water than usual. If you're not actively replenishing those lost fluids with water, you can quickly find yourself in a dehydrated state. And dehydration doesn't just leave you feeling tired or thirsty. It can wreak havoc on your kidneys. Your kidneys rely on an adequate water supply to perform their primary job, filtering out waste and toxins from your blood and excreting them through urine. When you're dehydrated, the volume of blood flowing to your kidneys decreases, which reduces their ability to filter properly. This concentrated environment forces your kidneys to work much harder than they should, increasing the risk of kidney damage over time. Chronic dehydration can even lead to the formation of kidney stones, those painful mineral deposits that can block your urinary tract and require medical intervention. Now let's focus on energy drinks. These beverages don't just dehydrate you with caffeine. They're often loaded with sugar and other additives that can exacerbate the problem. Sugar increases the osmotic pressure in your kidneys, requiring more water to process it effectively. The result? An even greater drain on your body's hydration levels. And because energy drinks give you a temporary burst of energy, it's easy to overlook the signs of dehydration like dry mouth, fatigue, and dizziness until it's too late. Dehydration risk becomes even more significant if you're drinking these beverages during physical activity or in hot weather. In these scenarios, your body is already losing water through sweat, and consuming diuretic drinks only compounds the problem. Over time, repeated cycles of dehydration can lead to kidney function decline and, in severe cases, kidney failure. So what can you do to protect your kidneys? The solution is simple. Stay hydrated with water, especially when consuming sodas or energy drinks. If you choose to indulge in these beverages, balance them out with plenty of water to ensure your kidneys are never starved of the hydration they need. After all, staying hydrated isn't just about quenching your thirst, it's about giving your kidneys the support they need to keep your entire body running smoothly. Number 5. Artificial additives. Artificial additives might make sodas and energy drinks taste irresistible, but they can silently wreak havoc on your kidneys over time. These additives include artificial sweeteners, preservatives, colorants, and flavor enhancers that are anything but natural. While they make beverages more shelf-stable and visually appealing, the story inside your body is far less glamorous, especially for your kidneys, which bear the brunt of filtering out these synthetic compounds. Take artificial sweeteners, for example. Many diet sodas boast zero sugar, but they're loaded with substitutes like aspartame, saccharin, or sucralose. While these sweeteners might cut calories, studies have shown they can negatively impact kidney function over time. Research suggests that regular consumption of artificial sweeteners can disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, which plays an essential role in regulating your overall health, including kidney health. This imbalance can trigger inflammation and increase the risk of kidney disease. Then there are preservatives like sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate, which are added to prevent spoilage. While these chemicals might sound harmless in small amounts, consistent intake from sodas and energy drinks can place unnecessary stress on your kidneys. Over time, your kidneys may struggle to effectively filter out these compounds, leading to a toxic buildup in your body. And let's not overlook the impact of artificial colorants. Popular sodas often feature vibrant reds, oranges, and browns, thanks to dyes like caramel coloring or tartrazine. Some studies have linked these colorants to oxidative stress, a condition that can damage kidney cells by creating harmful free radicals. This oxidative damage can compound over years of frequent consumption, quietly eroding kidney function. But the real kicker is the cumulative effect of all these additives combined. Your kidneys are like the body's filtration system, designed to handle natural waste products efficiently. When you flood them with artificial compounds day after day, it's like forcing a high-performance filter to process sludge. It might manage for a while, but eventually it clogs and breaks down. The bottom line? Every can of soda or energy drink you consume isn't just a refreshing treat. It's a cocktail of artificial chemicals your kidneys are left to sort out. Over time, this constant exposure can increase your risk of chronic kidney disease, kidney stones, and even kidney failure. So, the next time you reach for a brightly colored can, think about what those artificial additives are really doing to your kidneys. Opting for more natural and kidney-friendly drinks like water or herbal teas could save you from serious health problems in the long run. Number 6. Oxalates and kidney stones. If you've ever experienced a kidney stone, or know someone who has, you've likely heard about the sharp, stabbing pain they can cause. What you might not know is that your favorite soda could be contributing to their formation, thanks to a sneaky compound called oxalates. Oxalates are naturally occurring substances found in certain foods, but they're also present in some sodas, particularly dark-colored ones like colas. When consumed in high amounts, these oxalates can combine with calcium in your urine to form kidney stones, those hard, pebble-like deposits that can block your urinary tract and require medical intervention to remove. Here's how it works. Your kidneys filter waste from your blood and excrete it through urine. When oxalate levels in your body are too high, they bind with calcium to form crystals. Over time, these crystals can grow into stones, especially if your urine is concentrated due to dehydration, a common side effect of drinking sodas instead of water. The high sugar and caffeine content in many sodas further compounds this problem. Sugar disrupts calcium metabolism in your body, increasing the likelihood of stone formation, while caffeine's diuretic effects can make dehydration worse. But the danger doesn't stop there. Many sodas, particularly colas, also contain phosphoric acid, which lowers urine pH, creating an acidic environment where kidney stones thrive. Essentially, it's a perfect storm. Oxalates, sugar, caffeine, and acidity all working together to stress your kidneys and set the stage for stone formation. And while kidney stones can vary in size, even the smallest ones can cause excruciating pain as they pass through your urinary tract. What's even more alarming is how easy it is to overconsume oxalates without realizing it. You might think, one soda a day can't hurt, but the cumulative effect of regular consumption adds up over time, quietly increasing your risk of kidney stones. And once you've had a kidney stone, your chances of developing another rise significantly, unless you make lifestyle changes, like cutting back on sodas and energy drinks. The good news? You have the power to prevent this painful condition by being mindful of what you drink. Swap out sodas for water or kidney-friendly beverages like herbal teas, which help dilute urine and flush out excess oxalates before they can form stones. Your kidneys are hard-working organs, filtering about 50 gallons of blood every single day. The least you can do is give them a break from oxalate overload and help them keep your body running smoothly. Trust me, avoiding kidney stones is a decision you and your kidneys will never regret. Summary. And there you have it, folks. 6 reasons soda and energy drinks could be putting your kidneys at risk. From sugar overload and artificial additives to caffeine and dehydration, these drinks might be more dangerous than you ever imagined. But don't worry, it's not too late to make better choices. Your kidneys are hard-working organs and they deserve some TLC. Swapping out these harmful beverages for healthier options like water, herbal teas, or even infused water can make a world of difference for your health. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. And if you know someone who's glued to their sodas or energy drinks, share this video with them. Sometimes a little knowledge is all it takes to inspire a healthier lifestyle. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video packed with health tips, tricks, and fascinating insights. I've got a lot more content coming your way, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Remember, taking care of your kidneys isn't just about avoiding health problems. It's about feeling your best every single day. So make those small changes, stay hydrated, and give your body the love it deserves. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and as always, take care.